Hello, everybody. Sorry about that mistake right there. I'm gonna be showing you this grill from a car, and here is the front view, and here is the back view, and here is, I think, what it's made. The car name is GERMANY. You could pause the video if I go too fast. Now here is this. Here is the logo. Here's this. Here's this. Here's another logo. And here is this. And here is the side. It has all these numbers. And here is the same logo again. And there's that. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. Sorry for making any mistakes in this video, and sorry if I repeated anything. And I'll see you on the next one.